Today, we're here at a wood shop. We're going to test out some of the equipment that you're going to see us use. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Today, we have a spray gun today. We're going to test it out today. We're here at a wood shop that they use a lot of sprays. 3 different tips that we're going to do, including the cleaning brush, including in there. And then we have the actual bottle that retains all the spray, and the whole system marries itself, and this is how you use it. So you don't need a canister or a compressor or anything like that. It's pretty much all built in here. Plug it in, regular power, if you guys can see, 120 volts, if you guys see it, 120 connection, easy. And then the actual heads, every single head connected. And of course we got our spray bottle here. So it's locked in. Yep. Oh, okay. So can you explain to us what's the stopper for?
So the stopper helps you to set up your thickness
flow,
of the paint.
The flow of the paint. Okay.
So if you want to close the paint, not throw a lot of paint, you open up the leveler and it should throw less paint.
Okay.
Then adjust the paint. And I will show you right now.
All right. All right, let's see how loud it is. Go ahead. That's not bad. That's not bad. It sounds like a drill. All right, let's see the lines, how they look. Wow. It's nice.
Flip it down, but I got differences.
Pretty good. Let me show you guys the competitor version. All right, this is the actual gun itself, but look, this is the actual compressor. You're going to actually require both of them to set up, and of course they have a long hose to connecting to it. So this is the competitor to that one single gun by itself. So they pretty much are the same, but you get this other bulkier one. Where you're actually in a location like this, you get a loud noise of a compressor for you when you want to spray stuff, and it's very loud. We're going to tell you the difference between the spray gun and having a compressor on the spray gun. So if you guys don't have a shop, or you're going to plan to have a shop and you don't have the space like this facility does, it requires a lot. You require a spray room here, a compressor, and other stuff. This is all in one, but you don't have the spray room. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video.